it's Jennifer. Today is Pi Day. So March 14th, it's a Wednesday, and today I'm going to go over buying plants from a big box store. So I got these plants today from one of the big box stores because I couldn't find the seeds, or I didn't want to wait for the seeds, so I figured I'll just grow the plants and then I'll get the seeds from the plants. So I got Mr. Stripey and Cherokee Carbon. I tried to grow Mr. Stripey last year, but I packed it in with too many plants and it just didn't work out. So one of the first things that I noticed about these plants is that they look weird. So after growing my own plants from seeds, I have a pretty good idea of what tomato seedlings should look like, and these are all funky monkey, miniaturized, dark green. They have premature flowers on them, and they're just all weird. So the first thing that I do, at least when I'm at the store, is try to find a plant that doesn't have premature flowers on it. All of the plants did. So what I'm going to do is just cut these flowers off, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove the suckers from the bottom. So here's the plant as they are now, and then when I come back I'll show the things that I removed. So I'll remove these flowers, I'll remove this messed up flower cluster because this is going to end up with something. See how this flower is messed up and it's got like 4 flowers and 1 flower, so you're going to end up with a really crazy looking cat face tomato. And then remove these flowers and remove these little suckers here from the bottom, and the same on that plant. Okay, here's how they look now. So I remove all the flowers and I remove the bottom suckers on both plants. And now I'll just go ahead and plant them in their holes. So I'll come back with that. And here's the Cherokee Carbon planted in its pot. So what I like to do is actually take the pot off. My experience has been that the roots do not grow through these pots, that instead it causes the plant to be root bound and miniature, like it appears. So anyhow, I take the plant out of the pot, I loosen up the roots some, and then I plant it a little deeper than where the pot than where the pot edge was. In a couple of weeks, when these start catching up with the other tomatoes, I'll go ahead and clip off these bottom branches. But for now, it needs all the branches it can to grow up to be a healthy tomato. So I'll come back to these over the next few weeks to check on their progress and how, and hopefully that they'll unminiaturize. They have in the past, but these are really, really bad looking. Thank goodness they were on sale. So that's all for today. Bye.